How you doing, everybody? I was wondering if you guys could help me out a little bit with my car. It's been making some weird noise, I guess like a rattling sound. I'm not really sure how to describe the sound, but it seems to be coming probably like in the front, in the middle, somewhere area. Um, so when I give it gas, it starts making some weird rattling noise, and so once I go so fast, probably about over 15, 20 miles per hour, then it goes away. But it seems to be doing it every time I stop and take off. No check engine light has been coming on. It's been doing this about 3 weeks already, and so like I said, everything's normal in the car. Just that noise, it's been happening. So if you guys want to hear this noise and give me your thoughts about it, it'll be appreciated. I don't have that much money to be spending right now. I go to school and everything, so if you guys can help me out, then it'll be good. There's a stop sign right here, but see if you can hear it. The squealing starts coming out of nowhere. Usually when I turn on the AC, I notice. There you go, look at it. So once I pass about 20 miles per hour, it goes away. I've been looking at some videos and saying it might be the heat shield or something like that, but I've been, I haven't checked too much, but I've been checking under, touching if it's loose. It seems everything's okay. Sometimes, sometimes it doesn't do it, but usually when I come into a complete stop or something. So I'm gonna give this one more time so you guys could hopefully hear the noise. That's it. So if you guys could comment below and perhaps help me out on this, that I would appreciate that. So like I said, I have a 2010 Nissan Altima 2.5, I believe. So like I said, just comment below and thank you.